Uh-uh.
No. Come back here.
Uh-oh, they just slid. You had me turned around. I didn't get it. Maybe we should go back over here. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Where do we go?
He's gonna stay in the ditch over there. See? He's gonna stay in the ditch.
You okay? Hurt your knee? Oh my gosh. Okay, where do we, let's get, look, I'm scared.
It's not coming out here hunting too. It's pretty. I'm in the ditch. Come over here.
I cannot. Oh, I thought you meant walk across.
When it gets down here.
I wish I could zoom in this GoPro.
That's his best move right there, is ride the ditch. You only need to try to get out of the ditch, need to stay in the ditch.
Where's he gonna go?
You stay over here. You stay up here on the high side. He's good when he gets there. Where's he go?
It's in the back of the Jeep. Oh gosh, here they come.
That's the one you want video.
I can't zoom in.
Don't get close.
Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh.
Don't get close. He's gone past us.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Go, 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 go. teeth are chattering.